Calling all massage therapists, calling all massage therapists. Where are my body workers at? Thank you so much for joining me on this video, on this journey, and helping others through just holding space for them. Just know that you are awesome. You are so confident in what you do, and you are so caring and nurturing to others. So thank you for your gifts. Thank you for joining me on this journey as we explore the body together. I like to feel it. It's really ASMR. Yes, I love to call it ASMR. I like to feel it. It's really ASMR. With 30, squeeze, 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 hold, feeling that pressure going through your arm. Squeeze, 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 hold. The skeletal system is made up of 206 bones. When you're born, you have 270 or around there. And as you grow older, your bones begin to fuse together and harden. 80 of them are your axle, which is your skull, hyoid, sternum, vertebral spine, and your ribs, your rib cage. 126 of those bones are your appendicular skeletal system. So that means your arms, wrists, hands, fingers, legs, pelvis, ankles, and feet. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. That's what my brain's going to, so I'm like getting tripped up. But just know that your whole body has about 206 bones. We are not chiropractors, so we don't work on the bones, but we do work on the muscular skeletal system. So that's super important for us to know what bone, where the muscle attaches to, where on the bone the muscle attaches to, how it crosses over, and how it performs. These are all super important things for us to know as massage therapists, because our purpose in life is to help people work on their body, floss those joints, and really get them more mobile, allowing for more range of motion. Bones are made of calcified material and collagen. They contain marrow, blood vessels, and connective tissue. Bones are made up of 2 layers. There's a compact layer with a soft or spongy sides to them, or the ends of the bones.